Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The BLACK+DECKER 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance that delivers consistently delicious results. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, this rice cooker is a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its generous capacity. With a capacity of 6 cups, it can easily accommodate a variety of dishes, making it perfect for both small and large families. This makes meal preparation a breeze, as you can cook enough rice in one go to feed the whole family. The compact dimensions of the BLACK+DECKER 6-Cup Rice Cooker are also worth mentioning. Measuring just 5.5 inches in diameter, 10 inches in width, and 9 inches in height, it takes up minimal space on your countertop. This is especially advantageous for those with limited kitchen space who still want to enjoy the convenience of a rice cooker. Powered by a corded electric source, this rice cooker ensures consistent and efficient cooking.